What if I told you that tonight, before you go to sleep, you could pour a kitchen ingredient into your toilet and wake up to something that will make you question everything you thought you knew about cleaning? No, this isn't a prank. And no, this isn't one of those tips that sound good but do nothing. This one is real. Plumbers don't talk about it. Cleaning brands definitely don't want you to know it. And by the end of this video, you're going to look at two things sitting in your kitchen right now: salt and garlic, completely differently. Stick around, because trick number 2 is even stranger than the first. Let's be honest for a second. You clean your toilet, you scrub it, you pour in the blue liquid, the one with the fancy bottle and the promise of 99% germ kill. And for a day or two, it looks fine, but then it comes back. That faint ring around the waterline, that smell that creeps in by the third day, that weird buildup near the rim that no brush seems to fully reach. And it's not just the toilet. Think about your kitchen. How many times have you bought garlic, used half of it, and then forgotten about the rest? A week later, you open the fridge and it's soft, sprouting or turning that sickly yellow-green color. You feel a tiny pinch of guilt and toss it in the trash. I'll multiply that by every month, every year. That's money, literally rotting away in your kitchen. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Most of the fixes we use every day are surface level. They look like they're solving the problem, but they're not actually solving anything. They're just hiding it for a little while. But there's a reason old school tricks like salt and freezing have survived for generations, while expensive products come and go. And once you understand why they work, you'll never look at your bathroom or your fridge the same way again. Now here's where it gets interesting. Most people think salt is just for food. Boring, white, sitting in a shaker on your table. But salt has a secret life. It's been used for centuries, not just to season your dinner, but to clean, to disinfect, even to preserve things that would otherwise rot. And toilets? They have a secret problem that has nothing to do with how often you clean them. It's called hard water buildup. And it's invisible until it's not. But before I tell you exactly how salt fixes this, I need you to understand something most people get completely wrong. Because if you do this next part incorrectly, the trick won't work at all. So stay with me. This is where it gets good. Okay, here's the secret. Tonight, before you go to bed, take about half a cup to 1 full cup of regular table salt or coarse salt, either works, and pour it directly into your toilet bowl. Don't flush it right away. That's the mistake almost everyone makes. We'll talk about that mistake in a minute, because it ruins the entire trick. After you pour the salt in, let it sit. Just leave it there overnight while you sleep. That's it. No scrubbing yet, no chemicals, just salt sitting quietly in the water, doing its work while you're unconscious. Now here's why this actually works, and it's kind of fascinating once you understand the science behind it. Salt is naturally abrasive at a microscopic level. When it sits in standing water for several hours, it slowly breaks down mineral deposits, the hard, chalky buildup that forms from calcium and limescale in your water supply. This is the stuff that creates that stubborn ring around your toilet bowl that regular cleaners just glide right over. But salt does something else too. It's mildly antibacterial. It draws moisture out of bacteria and grime through a process called osmosis. Basically, it dehydrates the gunk that's clinging to the porcelain. By morning, that buildup isn't bonded to the surface anymore. It's loosened, weakened, practically begging to be wiped away. So when you wake up the next morning, here's what you do. Take your toilet brush and scrub like normal. But pay attention, because you're going to feel the difference immediately. The buildup that used to take 5 minutes of hard scrubbing now comes off in seconds. Stains that have been sitting there for months start lifting off almost effortlessly. Then flush. That's it. That's the whole trick. But wait, there's something even better you can add to this, and it takes the result from good to almost unbelievable. After the salt has done its overnight work, before you scrub, pour in about half a cup of white vinegar. The combination of salt and vinegar creates a mild acidic reaction that goes even deeper into mineral stains, the kind that have been there so long you assumed they were permanent. People who try this for the first time genuinely message channels like this one saying things like, "I thought my toilet was just stained forever." It wasn't. It was just never treated correctly. And here's the part that really gets people. You don't need to do this every single night. Once or twice a week is enough to keep your toilet looking like it was just professionally cleaned without spending a single dollar on expensive bowl cleaners. But I promised you something even stranger. Something involving your fridge, your garlic, and one night in the freezer. This next one sounds almost too weird to be true. But once you see it, you'll be doing it every single week. Here's a question. When was the last time you actually used a fresh garlic bulb before it went bad? If you're like most people, it's been a while. Garlic is one of those ingredients we buy with good intentions and then completely forget about. It sits in a bowl or a drawer or the back of the fridge, slowly drying out, sprouting little green shoots or turning into a soft, useless lump you eventually throw away. But here's the part that nobody tells you. Garlic isn't actually fragile. It just needs one very specific trick to completely transform, and it has nothing to do with how you store it in the fridge. It has to do with your freezer. Tonight, take your garlic bulb, whole, unpeeled, just as it is, and place it in your freezer, just for one night. That's it. You're not freezing it for weeks. You're not turning it into garlic ice cubes. Just one single overnight freeze. Now here's where it gets interesting, and this is the part that surprises absolutely everyone the first time they try it. The next morning, take the garlic bulb out and let it sit at room temperature for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then try peeling a clove. It practically falls out of its skin. I'm not exaggerating. The papery layer that normally clings so stubbornly to garlic, the one that makes peeling such an annoying, fiddly task, just slides right off. No more picking at tiny bits of skin with your fingernails. No more wasted garlic stuck to the peel. But that's just the surface level benefit. Here's the real secret, the one almost nobody talks about. Freezing garlic, even for one night, actually changes its cellular structure in a way that releases more of its natural compounds when you chop or crush it. This means the garlic you cook with, after a freeze, actually tastes more intense, more aromatic, more powerful than garlic you peel straight from the counter. So you're not just saving time peeling, you're literally upgrading the flavor of everything you cook. And here's a bonus most people never figure out on their own. If you have garlic that's already starting to sprout, that little green shoot in the middle that makes some people throw the whole bulb away, a quick overnight freeze stops that sprouting process and actually makes the bulb easier to use before it fully spoils. This means you can rescue garlic you were about to toss in the trash and turn it into something even better than when you bought it. Big grocery stores would honestly prefer you didn't know this, because the more garlic that goes bad in your fridge, the more you have to go back and buy. But there's a mistake people make with this trick too, and it's the same kind of mistake that ruins the toilet trick. So let's talk about it, because this next part might be the most important section in this entire video. Here's where most people go wrong, and honestly, it's not their fault. Nobody explains this part properly. Mistake number 1 with the toilet trick, flushing too early. If you pour salt into the toilet and flush it 5 minutes later, you've basically done nothing. The entire trick depends on the salt sitting in standing water for hours, slowly breaking down that mineral buildup. If you rush it, you wash away the one ingredient that was actually doing the work. That's why this trick is done at night, because it needs time you're not paying attention to it. While you sleep, the salt is working. Flush too soon, and you wasted a perfectly good toilet trick. Mistake number 2, using scented or iodized salt and expecting magic. Look, any salt technically works a little, but plain coarse salt or kosher salt has a rougher texture that does more of the physical scrubbing work at a microscopic level. Fine table salt works too, but it's slightly less effective than something coarser. If you have rock salt or sea salt sitting around, that's actually your best option. Now, mistake number 3, and this one's about the garlic. Freezing garlic for too long. People hear freeze it and think more is better, so they leave it in the freezer for a week, 2 weeks, sometimes longer. But that's a different process entirely. That's long-term storage, and it actually changes the texture of the garlic in a way that makes it mushy and harder to work with once thawed. The magic of this trick is specifically in the short freeze. One night, maybe up to 24 hours at the absolute most. After that, you start losing the benefit instead of gaining it. And mistake number 4, which honestly applies to almost every kitchen and cleaning hack out there. People try it once, it works a little, and they give up instead of making it a habit. These tricks aren't one-time magic spells. They're small, repeatable habits that compound over time. One salt treatment makes your toilet noticeably cleaner, but doing it consistently once or twice a week is what keeps it looking brand new for months. One frozen garlic bulb saves you a few minutes of peeling, but making it a habit means you stop wasting garlic altogether, and your cooking actually starts tasting better across the board. The people who get the best results aren't doing anything more complicated than you. They're just doing it consistently and doing it correctly. So let's talk about what actually changes when you start doing both of these. Your toilet stops looking like something you're embarrassed about when guests come over. That ring around the water line, the one you thought was permanent, the one you scrubbed at for months without success, gone. And it stays gone, with way less effort than you were putting in before. You're not buying expensive bowl cleaners every month. You're not breathing in harsh chemical fumes every time you clean. You're using something that's probably already sitting in your kitchen cabinet right now. And in your kitchen, you stop throwing away garlic. You stop fighting with tiny, stubborn skins every time you cook. Your meals start tasting noticeably better, because the garlic you're using is actually releasing more of its natural flavor. And when garlic starts to sprout, you're not panicking and throwing it out anymore. You know exactly how to save it. What's wild about both of these tricks is how little effort they actually require. We've been trained to think that real results need expensive products, fancy gadgets, complicated routines. But the truth is, some of the most effective solutions have been sitting in our kitchens this entire time. We just never knew how to use them properly. Salt isn't just for your food. Your freezer isn't just for ice cream and frozen vegetables. These everyday items have hidden uses that most people will go their entire lives never discovering. But now you know. And honestly, once you try both of these tonight, you're going to wonder what else you've been doing the hard way without even realizing it. Because here's the thing, this is just the beginning. There are dozens of these hidden tricks, sitting quietly in plain sight, in every room of your house. Most people will never find them. But you're already ahead, just by watching this video to the end. So tonight, before you go to bed, do two things. Pour some salt into your toilet and let it sit overnight. Toss a whole garlic bulb into your freezer for just one night. Tomorrow morning, you're going to notice the difference immediately. And once you do, you'll understand exactly why these old tricks have survived for so long, while expensive products keep coming and going. If this video actually helped you, do me a favor and hit subscribe, because tomorrow's trick is even crazier than this one, and trust me, you don't want to miss it. See you in the next video.